convert 11 by 35 to decimal. To convert this to decimal, we have to divide, and to divide we should frame it in this way. 11 here, 35 here. This is your step 1. Next, here we have 11, here 35. 11 smaller than 35. So what we should do is, we should put dot here, take 0 here. So 110. A number close to 110 in 35 table is 35 threes, 105. Now we should subtract, we get 5. Here we have 5, here 35. 5 smaller than 35, and we already have the decimal, so we can directly take 0. So 50. A number close to 50 in 35 table is 35 ones, 35. Now we subtract, we get 15. Here we have 15, here 35. 15 smaller than 35, and we already have the decimal, so we can directly take 0. So 150. A number close to 150 in 35 table is 35 fours, 140. Now we subtract, we get 10. Here we have 10, here 35. 10 smaller than 35, and we already have the decimal, so we can directly take 0. So 100. A number close to 100 in 35 table is 35 twos, 70. Now we subtract, we get 30. Here we have 30, here 35. 30 smaller than 35, and we already have the decimal, so we can directly take 0. So 300. A number close to 300 in 35 table is, let us go with 8. So 35 8 times. 8 5s 40, 0 4. 8 3s 24 plus 4 28. So 280 close to 300. So we should go with 8. So 35 8 times 280. Now we subtract, we get 20. Here we have 20, here 35. 20 smaller than 35, and we already have the decimal, so we can directly take 0. So 200. A number close to 200 in 35 table is 35 fives, 175. Now we subtract, we get 25. Here we have 25, here 35. 25 smaller than 35, and we already have the decimal, so we can directly take 0. So 250. A number close to 250 in 35 table is, let us go with 7. So 35 7 times. 7 5s 35, 5 3. 7 3s 21 plus 3, 24. So 245 close to 250. So we should go with 7 times. So 35 7 times. 245. Now we subtract, we get 5. Now you observe, here we had 5 and we got 5 again. That means we get bar on these numbers. Remember here, you do not get bar on this starting number because after doing a step, then we got 5. which we got again here. After doing a step, we got the number. So do not put bar on this starting number. Therefore, our answer is 0.3142857. Bar on these numbers. This is our answer.